Hey, this is Mike from Style Flip. Today we want to give a quick preview for the Pioneer DJM-A9. That's the Pioneer DJM-A9 customizable skins, available now at styleflip.com. Check us out online. You can upload your own image, add your own text right over your design, create your own look right on our website, text, logos, and images. This is the Pioneer DJM-A9. We'll send you an easy to install, customizable skin that lasts the life of your product and won't damage your equipment when you take it off. This is the Pioneer DJM-A9 custom skin wrap, available now at styleflip.com. Check us out online for over 1,500 products.